This is Amy Chan from CakeDecoratingSchool.com, and if you like cake decorating, you're in the right place. If you're interested in these products, check out the links in the description. In this video, we are talking about the ball-style Russian tips. We have a great set of these that we got as part of a larger kit, so we're just giving them a test run today to see what we can do with them. We've got them, one of them set up in a special coupler. That was one of the things I liked about the kit that we bought, is that it came with special couplers to use with these larger oversized tips. And we've got some nice soft buttercream in it, and we're just gonna give it a go. So you can see it gives me these really great, ruffly, wonderful, they're not even really flowers. I can keep going and building and swirl it around to make a swirl style topping for a cupcake, or a special frilly rosette to finish off a cake into portion slices, but it also has a void in the middle that if you just stopped, you could put a dot in there and make a really pretty flower. So I'm gonna try building it up a little bit and doing a rosette as well. See, it leaves a perfect kind of hole in there, and you get this beautiful puffy frilly rosette with them. So I have a feeling they're going to be great for doing kind of frilly custom finishes on cakes, and I'm just going to give a few more of the openings a try just so we can see what they look like and how they're different. And the great thing about having a coupler that you can use with them is you can try them out with one bag and see which ones you like best. I gave them a little bit of a test run when I first got them, and I found that they did surprising things and things that I wasn't necessarily expecting. So you can see this one has kind of zigzag style openings on it, right? And it also has a little flower shape there at the beginning. So I'm just gonna go, ooh, hello. Like this to start with. Gives me a beautiful, and with, wow, oh, that's actually really cool. Since I striped the bag and I have kind of a purple color in the middle, it's giving me a bit of a kind of psychedelic wall poster kind of feel to it. It has a nice kind of geometric design to it. And then I'm gonna try doing a rosette with it. You can see you get these beautiful kind of ribbons of buttercream. And one thing about these tips is that they definitely eat up the buttercream. You're piping out large amounts. So just keep in mind when you're planning your projects that you're gonna need lots of frosting to work with. I think this is one of the other ones that I wanted to use. This one has a slight wave, right, to the openings. So I thought this would be nice. Just gonna go ahead. Oh, beautiful. And you can see you can pile up beautiful kind of mounded, ruffly piles of buttercream, and that would be a great way to do just a lovely little finish on the top of your slices of a cake. So these are just a couple of the ball style opening tips that we got in a set of Russian tips, and I really like them, and I think they're a fun kind of chunky frilly way to finish off the top of a cake or a cupcake. If you like this video and you'd like to check out more about cake decorating, the materials and equipment we use, or just some inspirational videos about cake decorating itself, follow us on Insta or YouTube at Cake Decorating School. If you're interested in yearly membership and what it entails, you can go to www.cakedecoratingSchool.com for more information. And if you're interested in these products, you can check out the links in the description.